We're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the DD tag. It's for the actual description within a description list. So we've got our example here that I've introduced in the last two tutorials. The DL tag defines the description list, everything is nested. YouTube, for example, is a description term, so is Twitter. And for each of these terms we can add a DD, a description, that defines the term. For Instagram it's missing, so let me add it here, DD opening and closing. And inside you define the term Instagram. By default it is just indented, like so. There are no specific attributes for this tag, so this is basically all there is to know about it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.